cutoff valve.
Hey guys, and welcome to the video. So if you're new to the channel, I appreciate your subscription. I picked up a few subscribers since the I posted a YouTube call out video. But for right now, I need to go ahead and clean up this car right now, because pro tip, if you're selling a car, make sure you clean it before you start showing it off, because it's gonna look at its best. Now, I understand that some people may like to see a little bit of dirt in the engine bay area and stuff like that, to look for oil spots and whatever. Understood, but for the most part, try and have a clean car. Like looking at the carpets and stuff like that, if there's dirt and sand and all sorts of crap in the door sills and stuff, it just looks like sloppy ownership. So make sure you clean your car. So we're gonna knock that out real quick, and then we're gonna knock out how to polish your exhaust tips, because right now, as you can see, these things are looking pretty grimy. It's just because they're a little older. They've been on the car for a while, but as you can see, there's a lot of stuff, and like it doesn't really come off. It's a little bit cleaner, but like you still see all that crap in there. So I wanted to make this to show you guys how to polish exhaust tips real quick. And so I'm gonna go ahead and run a time lapse cleaning the car. We're gonna go ahead and go inside and out, make this thing look all good. I got some people coming to look at it because this car is for sale. So stay tuned, here we go. Just to kind of go into some of the stuff I use, nothing crazy. Just a little bit of good old car wash, tire wet, a little leather conditioner, all-purpose cleaner. Careful with this because you don't want to use it on sensitive surfaces. Wax and dry. I haven't really used a hard wax in this car ever. This stuff does great. You have to apply it more often, but it works really well. Keeps the dirt and bubbles of water really well. And then this is my favorite glass cleaner, Visaglass. I mean, Windex works alright, but this stuff really does a great job. And then this is what we're going to be using to polish up the few metal parts. So on the turbocharger intake and on the exhaust, or in the rear exhaust. And then obviously you need something like this, a bunch of microfiber towels, and a bucket. I'm only using one bucket right now. I know some people like to use two, but as long as you keep your rag like on top of the water and not like soak it all the way at the bottom, it should be fine. The dirt will sink to the bottom and you don't shake your bucket, it'll be good. One more thing, make sure you always take out all your accessories in your pockets. Take out my watch before I start, because that stuff, if you rub up against the car wrong, will rub it. For instance, something like this and my watch are probably not good to be washing the car with, especially if you rub up against the paint, leave a nice nasty scratch in there. Just one more little tip, make sure you take care of it before you clean your car. Alright guys, this is the stuff I'm using again. I just had to put it in the freezer because in my trunk it literally turned to soup. So now, still a little loose, but it's better than it was. So, pretty much, I don't have an actual applicator pad right now, but this works just as well. I'll set you guys right here and show you how it is. So for me, I use a paper towel like this. Go ahead and get a little on there. too much. A little bit like that. And then you literally just start rubbing it around. Alright, so once you're done, go ahead and get a clean part of it, and then you just wipe it off and polish it up. And as you can see, now you have your shiny side and your not so shiny side. So we're just gonna finish this up real quick, and that's that. Pretty simple. Alrighty, and there you have it. All polished up, super easy. And then not so polished up over here, but we'll go ahead and knock this out and then finish cleaning the car, and that'll be that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry, time just kind of got away from me, so I really didn't get a chance to film an outro right before it got dark out. But just a quick little tip on how to kind of keep your axle back looking shiny. You got to be careful. If you do too much of it, you will start to depending how aggressive the compound is, you might start to polish through the chrome and start to get to whatever's underneath it. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you learned a thing or two. If not, it's pretty simple. It just sounds a quick little tip, and thought you'd enjoy the video. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Sorry, no GT500 content this episode, but I'm trying to get a few more videos out about the GT before it goes away. And then it's going to be all GT500, and I've got a lot to go over with you guys. Full mods list. Really, there's a lot to go over. Yeah, I want to go over the power numbers again, because in the original video I had, probably not quite accurate from what I was looking at. I found a lot more dyno sheets on it now and everything, so I have a pretty good idea of where it's at. And then there's quite a bit more I want to go over about the GT500. A couple cool things I learned yesterday. Just it's a lot of cool stuff. So if you're subbed, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I've got some more cool content on the way. Go check out some of my older videos. If you enjoy it, you do. If you don't, you don't. But thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. And as always, stay awesome.